with Department of Skill, Employment and Entrepreneurship welcomes everyone gathered here to the Corporate Award of Excellence 2021. This virtual version of Corporate Excellence Awards is going to be a different experience. But at the same time, a lot of things have not changed. While a virtual award ceremony held in a room with a computer and online meet cannot quite compete with the excitement and spontaneous nature of an actual event taking place somewhere within the lively environment of a huge auditorium filled with people, but we can still unite and celebrate excellence at a time when it is most needed. A widespread virus cannot really dampen the human spirit of resilience and innovation that have been on full display for the past 1 year. Today, we are gathered here to honor and celebrate individuals who have displayed exceptional leadership vision and an ability to triumph against all odds in these challenging times. For the next few hours, join me as we are going to celebrate dedication, service, and commitment to the industry. We are going to recognize those whose achievements have set new benchmark in excellence. We are going to honor our corporate connects who have helped us create a bridge between industry and academia. UEM Jaipur has always followed a tradition of recognizing corporate professionals for their immense contribution to the society. The previous avatars of Corporate Excellence Awards were held in IIT Delhi in 2016 and 2019 and IISc Bangalore in 2017 and 2020. UEM Jaipur understands the need for collaboration between industry and academic world to catalyze innovation and growth by focusing on building new knowledge base through research activities and imparting skill-based education to students. As India embarks upon an era of digitization, a young, tech-savvy population with specialist knowledge and practical training in key fields such as artificial intelligence and data science, etc., is needed to solve major challenges in critical industries. Over the past few years, UEM Jaipur has incorporated important changes in its curriculum across all streams of technical education through close discussions with industry personnel in order to reflect the growing need for work-ready talent with specialized knowledge in new technologies. In the years to come, we look forward to fruitful partnerships with the industry in advancing research and creating a skilled workforce. Before we start, I would like to inform the recipients of today's Corporate Excellence Awards that the memento and the hard copy of certificate will be mailed to their postal address after this ceremony. I would also request our honored guests and recipients to switch on their webcam when the award is being presented to them. With these thoughts, I would like to invite Professor Dr. Biswajoy Chatterjee, Honorable Vice Chancellor of the University of Engineering and Management, Jaipur, for the welcome address. It's over to you, sir.
Okay, so hello and welcome. I'm sure that I'm audible and visible. I'm Biswajoy Chatterjee. I am the Vice Chancellor of University of Engineering and Management, UEM Jaipur. And it is a privilege for me to be in this platform where I can see industry, academia, and government are all together in a single platform trying to make this event a success. I feel great to welcome you all in this platform. As I said, especially because industry, academia, and government are present together, it is a basic requirement that industry keeps guiding academia regarding the changes that are required to suit the current industry needs. And it is the responsibility of academia to incorporate those changes, especially in the course curriculum. And when government is present, government can specially guide the institutes togetherly to reflect the necessary changes. In this program, UEM Jaipur, guided by Government of Rajasthan Department of Skill, Employment and Entrepreneurship, feels extremely proud to felicitate and award those industry personnel who have made it successful to show the path to the institutes and bring in the necessary changes. Yes, Professor Shatabdi, as she was right, pointing that we missed the excitement of the physical program, but nevertheless, our energy is not even 1% short. And we believe that this will help building a fruitful relation between government, industry, and academia. All these awards and certificates will be sent to the registered addresses of the awardees after this event is over. I will request all honorable members for 4 things for a smooth conduct of the program and also to put in a little more life in this online version. In this award program, as emailed to you earlier, I don't believe there will be any scope of interaction, but kindly switch on your webcam when the award is being presented to you to put in more life into this online mode of operation. Do not log in with 2 devices to avoid disturbance due to feedback, some basic things which all of us are aware nowadays. And please keep yourselves normally muted, a point I'm sure I don't need to mention. I will not take more time and request the host of the event, Professor Shatabdi Basu, to take on and proceed with the event further. Thanks to all of you. Thank you for joining here, and we feel proud that you have become a part of this event.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful and inspiring welcome message. Now it is our honor and privilege to invite Mr. Neeraj Kumar Pawan, IAS Secretary, Labour and Employment, Government of Rajasthan, to say a few words about the program. I think he is not present in this forum. So, I would like to invite Mr. Praveen Mathur, Director Employment, Department of Skill, Employment and Entrepreneurship, Government of Rajasthan, to share his thoughts about this program. Hello?
Namaskar. Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir. You are audible.
नमस्कार. वाइस चांसलर महोदय चटर्जी सर और यूईएम विश्वविद्यालय के सदस्य टीम जो है समस्त टीम उपस्थित, रोजगार विभाग के उपस्थित सभी अधिकारीगण और यहाँ पे उपस्थित समस्त नियोजक जिनको कि बेरोजगारों को रोजगार प्रदान करने के लिए जो कार्य कर रहे हैं, उन सभी का यहाँ पे स्वागत करता हूँ मैं। और अभी सचिव महोदय के द्वारा बात हुई थी, शायद वो बीच में अपन को ज्वाइन कर लेंगे, तो इस बीच में आपको कुछ बात बताना चाहता हूँ। राज्य सरकार जो है बेरोजगारों के प्रति बहुत ही कल्याण के लिए काफी मतलब कार्य कर रही है, जिसके अंदर उन्होंने पिछली बार जो हम बेरोजगार भत्ता दे रहे थे उसके लिए उन्होंने अलग से घोषणा करके बढ़ाई है। साथ में ही बेरोजगार आशार्थियों को, क्योंकि मार्केट में डिमांड और सप्लाई के हिसाब से जो डिमांड है उस हिसाब से स्किल्ड मैन पावर जो है वो अवेलेबल नहीं हो पाती है इंडस्ट्रीज को, तो उसके लिए सरकार ने सोचा है कि स्किल कैंडिडेट्स को कराएंगे। जो बेरोजगार भत्ता पाने के पहले उनको ट्रेनिंग दी जाएगी 3 महीने की, उसके बाद ट्रेनिंग देने के बाद वो उनको इंटर्नशिप भी कराई जाएगी, उसके बाद वो एम्प्लॉयबल हो जाएंगे। तो और इस बीच उनको बेरोजगार भत्ता दिया जाएगा, जिससे कि वो कंपटीशन की तैयारी कर सकें या जिस भी फील्ड में जाना चाहें वो जा सकें। इसके लिए मैं सभी जो नियोजक हैं उपस्थित हैं उन सभी ये कहना चाहूंगा कि आपके यहाँ पे जिस प्रकार अगर कोई इस प्रकार की स्किल है जो कि आपको अवेलेबल नहीं है राजस्थान में या इधर यहाँ पे उसकी डिमांड बहुत है, तो आप कृपया करके उस स्किल के बारे में विभाग को या RSLDC को किसी को आप हमको बताएं, जिससे कि हम उस प्रकार की स्किल ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट करवा सकें यहाँ पे करके और यहीं कैंडिडेट्स को आप अवेलेबल करा सकें। साथ ही एक राजकौशल पोर्टल माननीय मुख्यमंत्री द्वारा पिछले साल लॉन्च किया गया था, जिसमें उनकी मंशा ये थी कि जो भी डेटा बेरोजगारों का डेटा जो भी है RSLDC से या जिसको ट्रेनिंग कर रही है ITI जो होल्डर हैं और जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट में रजिस्टर्ड है बेरोजगार के लिए, उन सभी का डेटा उसमें अवेलेबल है। तो आप सभी से मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप सभी उस पोर्टल पे अपने आप को रजिस्टर्ड करें और जो आप रोजगार प्रदान कर रहे हैं तो उस रोजगार प्रदान करने को भी आप उसमें अपलोड करें कि जिसको आपने बेनिफिटेड किया है उसको अपलोड करें, जिससे कि जो आपके द्वारा कार्य किया है सरकार इसको जो कार्य किया जा रहा है वो दिखाई दे कि हमने वास्तव में ये लोग कर रहे हैं, सरकार जो प्रयास कर रही है वास्तव में परिलक्षित हो उसके अंदर कि हाँ वास्तव में कार्य कर रहे हैं। साथ ही अगर आप इस प्रकार का कोई आपके पास कोई स्किल है जिसकी की ट्रेनिंग आप करवा रहे हैं या करवा सकते हैं, तो उस प्रकार की ट्रेनिंग को अगर आप यहाँ करवाना चाहते हैं, अपने इंस्टीट्यूट में कराना चाहते हैं, कुछ करना चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए आप जिस प्रकार सरकार की मंशा ये है कि ट्रेनिंग इस प्रकार की हो कि उसकी मान्यता केवल राजस्थान में या केवल उसको ट्रेनिंग कराने तक ही सीमित न रहे, वो पूरे इंडिया में या हो सकता है वर्ल्ड में कहीं पे भी उसकी मान्यता हो। इस प्रकार के कोर्स को तैयार करें जिससे कि जैसे आपको ज्वेलरी का अगर वो ट्रेनिंग कराना चाहता है तो आप ज्वेलरी का जो टॉप मोस्ट जो इंस्टीट्यूट है जो कि एग्रेडेशन उसको देता है, जिसका मान्यता सभी जगह है इंटरनेशनली या नेशनली, तो उस प्रकार का एग्रेडेशन लेकर के और उस लेवल का ट्रेनिंग अगर करवाएंगे तो निश्चित रूप से बेरोजगार को लाभ भी होगा और वास्तव में अपनी जो ट्रेनिंग है और सरकार जो ट्रेनिंग के लिए कुछ खर्च कर रही है तो उसका लाभ कैंडिडेट को मिलेगा और सरकार को भी मिलेगा इसका लाभ। थैंक यू सर।
So, Praveen sir has already presented. Mr. Praveen Mathur, Director Employment, Department of Skill, Employment and Entrepreneurship, Government of Rajasthan. He just presented. So, I go to the next slide. You can go ahead with it now.
Yes, sir. UEM Jaipur would like to acknowledge the contribution of few more dignitaries from Government of Rajasthan. Mr. Mahesh Sharma, former Director Employment, Department of Skill, Employment and Entrepreneurship.
Hello.
Mr. Chain Singh Shekhawat, Assistant Director, Employment for Department of Skill, Employment and Entrepreneurship. Mr. Vivek Bhardwaj, Assistant Director, Employment in Department of Skill, Employment and Entrepreneurship, Government of Rajasthan. Ms. Navrika Gupta, Assistant Director, Department of Skill, Employment and Entrepreneurship, Government of Rajasthan. I would like to convey a message on behalf of Srimati Navrika Gupta, Assistant Director, and who heads the Women's Cell of Employment. The Department of Skill, Employment and Entrepreneurship has activities to provide employment opportunities to unemployed youth through trainings, jobs, fairs, and career counseling. It is her humble request to corporate professionals and HR heads present here that they connect with this department to inform about job vacancies and give special emphasis to encourage female candidates and employment. So next slide, please. Mr. Harish Kumar Naikwal, District Employment Officer, Department of Skill, Employment and Entrepreneurship, Government of Rajasthan. Mr. Hanuman Sahai Meena, District Employment Officer, Department of Skill, Employment and Entrepreneurship, Government of Rajasthan. And Mr. Rakesh Chaudhary, District Employment Officer, Sikar, in Department of Skill, Employment and Entrepreneurship, Government of Rajasthan.
So now we need to proceed with the awards.
So let's move to the main part of the event. So we are proceeding with the main part of the event, the one that we have been waiting for, with our first winner, Mr. Nikhil Kumar Jain, Director Personnel, NHPC Limited. NHPC is a Mini Ratna Category 1 enterprise of the Government of India with an objective to plan, promote, and organize an integrated and efficient development of hydroelectric, solar, geothermal, tidal, and wind power in all aspects. Our next honoree is Mr. Amit Mishra, Director, Annex System Private Limited. Annex System is a business organization which is working hand in hand with government and universities to train the youth of India in order to make them industry-ready professionals. It is an honor to present the next award to Mr. Anil Pilania, Chairman, Horizontal Digital. Horizontal Digital is a digital consultancy company working in the domain of CX strategy and design, sales, services and CRM, marketing automation, digital experience management, and many more. Please join me in honoring Mr. Abhishek Basu, CEO of ThinkPod Digital. ThinkPod is a design-driven product company known for premium, high-impact, and quirky designs, and is one of the foremost production houses in Indian advertising. Please join me in felicitating Mr. Anup Solanki, Founder Director, Vardhaman Recruiters RPO. Vardhaman Recruiters is a recruitment process outsourcing company located in India and delivering RPO services across the globe, especially to UK, USA, UAE, Australia, and India. It is our privilege to present the next award to Commander Pratap Pawar, Director, Great Software Laboratory. GS Lab is a leading software product development company providing technology solutions and services to enterprises, startups, and technology companies. It is our pleasure to recognize the efforts of Mr. T. Dasgupta, Managing Director, Ashirvad Intcon Private Limited. Ashirvad Intcon is a pioneer decoration and renovation company providing innovative and sophisticated approach to generate contemporary corporate environment. Our next winner is Mr. Deepak Sharma, Director Technical for Rams Creative Technologies Private Limited. Rams Creative Technologies is a software development organization working in the domain of mobile app development and AR, VR, MR development with a global customer footprint. The next award goes to Mr. Dipank Bhatnagar, Director, BKV Innovators Private Limited. BKV Innovators is involved in hardware consultancy, which includes consultancy on type and configuration of hardware with or without the associated software application. Please join me in presenting the next award to Dr. Ashwini Agarwal, Director, Government Affairs in Applied Materials India Private Limited. Applied Materials is a strategic partner and an enabler of the semiconductor, display, and solar manufacturing ecosystems in India. The next recipient of the prestigious Corporate Award for Excellence is Mr. Harman Malhotra, Chief Operating Officer, Aroha Tech IT Services Private Limited. Aroha Tech is an established software and web development company with an enviable and proven track record engaged in providing application development services, IT consulting, and web marketing solutions to clients worldwide. Please join me in honoring Mr. Jitendra Kothari, Director, Nafa Nuksan Business Newspaper. Nafa Nuksan is the only business newspaper of Rajasthan with nearly 2.7 lakh readers and covers topics from automobile, IT, stock market, legal, insurance, commodities and derivatives sectors, and so on. The next awardee is Mr. Mahavir Pratap Sharma, Managing Director, Rajasthan Angel Innovators Network. RAIN is a group of angel investors in Jaipur interested in investing in early stage businesses which have the potential to create scale. By focusing on startups, RAIN will also address the current acute lack of funds available to early stage companies. It is an honor to present the next award to Mr. Manish Sahu, Chief Operating Officer for Kriti Technologies Private Limited. Kriti Technologies is a full-stack design and development firm specializing in mobile and web application development. It is our privilege to present the award for Corporate Excellence to Ms. Alka Batra, Director, AG's Jobs Private Limited. AG's Jobs is one of the leading recruitment agencies dealing with HR solutions, recruitment agencies, and offers a host of integrated services that cater to the various requirements of the clients and candidates. It is our pleasure to present this award to Ms. Madhura Lanjekar, Vice President HR, Clarion Technologies. Clarion Technologies is a leading technology solution provider specializing in web, mobile, and technology services with a focus on manufacturing, BFSI, education, construction, healthcare, telecom, media and retail industries. The next recipient of Corporate Award for Excellence is Mr. Munesh Jadon, founder and CEO, ZNet Technologies Private Limited. ZNet Technologies is an IT and cloud solutions provider to almost 90,000 plus customers across the globe. It is our honor to recognize the efforts and contribution of Mr. Parminder Singh Malik, President for Scope for Change. Scope for Change is a non-profit organization focusing on key areas of education, environment, health, water, and social well-being. Please join me in presenting the next award to Mr. Adhika Ratna Shekhar, Director, HR and CA, and CNMD, Additional Charge for Balmer Lorry and Company Limited. Balmer Lorry and Company is a Mini Ratna 1 public sector enterprise under the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Government of India, and a market leader in steel barrels, industrial greases and specialty lubricants, corporate travel, and logistics services. Our next honoree is Mr. Sunil Sharma, Chief Executive Officer, Oxcode Software Private Limited. Oxcode is a global IT company delivering services, solutions to enterprises worldwide with robust and profitable practices in applications, software, and e-business. It is our pleasure to recognize the contribution of Ms. Veena Dhamankar, Director, Human Resource, for FM Logistic India. FM Logistic is one of the key contract logistics services provider in India and provides warehousing and distribution services for the FMCG, food, retail, automotive, consumer durables, e-commerce, engineering, telecom, pharma, and other sectors. The next award goes to Mr. Vishal Goyla, Director Exports, Goyla Engineer Overseas. Goyla Engineer Overseas is the manufacturer, exporter, and supplier of high-quality tractor parts, tractor accessories, and agricultural equipment. Our next recipient of Corporate Award of Excellence is Mr. Arun Kumar Singh, Director, Ardent Telecom Private Limited. Ardent Telecom has been envisioned and formed by a group of telecom professionals who are determined to provide unmatched quality in the field of telecom infrastructure implementation. The company has successfully implemented installations of more than 2,000 BTS and MW hubs. It is our honor to present the next award to Mr. Manoj Kumar, Director, School Law. School Law is a cloud-based AI-powered online software for schools that manages academics and operations through its school management system. The next awardee in this August company is Mr. Abhishek Singh, Director, School Law. School Law is a cloud-based artificial intelligence-powered online software for schools that manages academics and operations through its school management system. It is a privilege to present the next award to Ms. Shiva Parekh, AVP Public Relations GBG for AU Small Finance Bank Limited. AU Small Finance Bank is an Indian scheduled commercial bank that has a long-standing track record for over 2 decades of being a retail-focused and customer-centric institution. Now I would like to invite Professor Dr. Aniruddha Mukherjee, Dean of University of Engineering and Management, Jaipur, to deliver his speech to the audience.
Thank you, Professor Shatabdi Basu. It's a great honor and privilege for me to speak on this event. I would like to welcome all the dignitaries present here. To begin with, Mr. Neeraj Pawan, Secretary Labour and Employment, Government of Rajasthan, Mr. Praveen Mathur, Mr. Mahesh Sharma ji, Mr. Chain Singh Shekhawat, Mr. Vivek Bhardwaj, Srimati Navrekha Gupta ji, Mr. Harish Kumar, Mr. Hanuman Shah Mina ji, Mr. Rakesh Chaudhary ji, and all others who are present here, who have logged in today for this great event. And I would like to welcome this Corporate Award 2021 for the excellence. And this is indeed an exciting evening for the university. We have introduced this new award specially to give our partners in the sector the sector-wide recognition that you deserve for the great work you do.
बस आ रहा है सर.
The awards, indeed, they recognize and reward the very best in the sector. And everyone here on the short list is making a significant, successful contribution to the sector. And we should be proud that you are here tonight. Well, as economics reopen, many companies plan to combine remote work with time in the office to get the best mix of productivity and collaboration. And it's a really trying times to get a balance of the new hybrid model, which is quite critical, I believe. Well, after a year of the pandemic, people are re-examining and remaking every part of their lives, especially their jobs. And as the industry, well, as it gears up for the paradigm shift in their perspective of doing business, it becomes all the more essential for us to understand the changing scenario and groom our students to enable them to cope up with the changes. The industry and academics both, I believe, should come together under the patronage of the government, and to enable this should enable to cope up with the troubled times. I am hopeful such collective measures from both industry and academics will definitely bridge the gap and pave way for the better employability scenario. Thank you all, and welcome once again.
Thank you, Dean Sir, for your inspiring words. Your constant support and encouragement has helped UEM Jaipur to organize this award ceremony. We move on.
Thank you.
Please join me in honoring Mr. Amol Pujari, Head of Human Resources, Hager Electro Private Limited. Hager Electro Private provides solutions to improve standards of living and offers the market a complete range of safe, secure, and stylish products and services needed to design and implement a fully integrated electrical installation in residential, commercial, and industrial segments. Our next awardee is Mr. Munesh Chandra, plant head of Aksh Optifiber Limited. Aksh Optifiber designs, manufactures, and sells optical fiber cables. The company offers optical fibers, optical fiber cables, and fiber reinforced plastic FRP rods. Please join me in felicitating Mr. Anand Mathur, AVP Operations for Vedic Tech Solutions Private Limited. Vedic Tech is a company working in the domain of mobile and web application, IoT, and digital marketing with sales offices in USA and Europe. It is our pleasure to appreciate the contribution of Mr. Mohit Pawar, General Manager in Franciscan Solutions Private Limited. Franciscan is an innovative venture that seeks to redefine business by providing unique and strategic e-solutions with specialties in education ERP, web designing, graphic designing, software development, web development, and app development. It is our privilege to present the next award to Mr. Mohit Vyas, DGM HR of Mangal Electrical Industries Private Limited. Mangal Electrical is one of the best leading suppliers and manufacturers of CRGO transformer core, CRGO transformer lamination, and slitting coils across the globe. The next honoree in this august company is Mr. Mukund Madhav, Head Talent Acquisition for Bajaj Auto Limited. Bajaj Auto is a part of the Bajaj Group and is an Indian multinational two-wheeler and three-wheeler manufacturing company which manufactures motorcycles, scooters, and auto rickshaws. The next winner of Corporate Excellence Award is Mr. Neville Postwala, Associate Vice President, Talent Management for the Harbinger Group. Harbinger Group is a global provider of software products and services, and the company's patented technology and sound thought leadership has resulted in revolutionary products including Raptivity and Exalted. Please join me in honoring Mr. Nishant Kalra, CHRO, Corporate Head HR for JTEKT India Limited. JTEKT is India's largest manufacturer of steering systems for passenger cars, utility vehicles, and light commercial vehicles. Our next awardee in today's ceremony is Ms. Piali Thar, DGM HR Administration for Titagarh Wagons Limited. Titagarh Wagons manufactures coaches for the Indian Railways, Bailey Bridges, and mining equipment. The next recipient of Corporate Excellence Award is Mr. Pramod Kumar Jain, Group HR Head, TCI Limited. TCI is a leading integrated multimodal logistics and supply chain solutions provider and serves businesses among various industry verticals by being an intrinsic part of the customer's logistics process. Please join me in felicitating Mr. Radha Mohan Gupta, Plant Head, RMC Switchgears Limited. RMC Switchgears is an ISO 9001-2008 certified company primarily engaged in the business of designing and manufacturing of enclosures of energy meters, LT-HT distribution boxes and panels, junction boxes, feeder pillars, and other power distribution and circuit protection switchgears. It is our privilege to present the next award to Mr. Shyamakant Mishra, Head Talent Acquisition, India and Asia Pacific for Amdocs Development Center, India LLP. Amdocs Development Center operates as a technology company and offers software and services to communications, cable and satellite, entertainment, and media industries. Our next awardee is Mr. Ajay Kumar Mishra, AVP HR, Genesis Power Infrastructure Limited. Genesis Power Infrastructure deals in manufacturing and distribution of electronic energy meters, inverters, batteries, home UPS, and online UPS across India as well as globally. Now I would like to invite Professor Dr. Pradeep Kumar Sharma, Registrar, University of Engineering and Management, Jaipur, for his address to the audience. It's over to you, sir.
Thank you, Shatabdi ma'am. A very good afternoon to all present here. Congratulations to all the awardees. First of all, I would like to thank the Labour Department Secretary Sri Neeraj Kumar Pawan sir, and Mr. Praveen Mathur, the Director of Employment Department of RSLDC. Then former Director Sri Mahesh Sharma ji, Shri Chain Singh Shekhawat ji, Assistant Director Training and Employment, Shri Vivek Bhardwaj, Assistant Director Employment Department, Ms. Navrikha Gupta, Assistant Director of RSLDC, Shri Harish Kumar Netawat, and Shri Hanuman Sahai Meena, along with Shri Rakesh Chaudhary ji. Always when we approached RSLDC and Employment Department for any help and support on the job fairs or the employment related, you can say, job melas, whenever we approach, all these persons helped us a lot. And since long we are part of this system, Employment Department basically help us out in every situation. And the team members of our placement team are well connected to the department. Shri Praveen Mathur ji and Shri Mahesh Sharma ji is taking care of all the related activities which we are conducting in line for the betterment of the employment and to provide the suitable jobs to our youth. Time and again, we always approach them and they help us out for different schemes of the government. They let us know the present scenario in the employment department and where we can go ahead with that. In addition, all the persons over here, HR persons, managing directors, managers, directors of the companies who are basically behind every step of UEM Jaipur, placing the skilled youth in line so that they can be provided good jobs in their companies. And always, you people are we can say that you people are the backbone of the university, and without your support and help, we cannot provide a good education, skill-based education, the outcome-based education to our youth, which is much needed right now. And at this time of pandemic and after pandemic situation also, we request you to be with us and provide your guidance, support wherever we will require, because without your support, we can say that the training institutions cannot do anything by providing the education, because right now the need of the hour is we should provide the outcome-based, skill-based, employment-based training to the students, for which you people are the backbone of the university and the training institutions. I congratulate you and my best wishes to you for your future endeavors. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir, for these sage words of wisdom. This award ceremony has seen the light of the day with your continuous guidance and encouragement. We continue our endeavor to recognize some of the best minds of corporate world with the next winner on this list, Ms. Rusha Guha, Manager HR, Marketing Minds. Marketing Minds is a marketing consulting firm, a complete solution provider for digital marketing needs, and aims to empower its client with the best marketing strategy and cutting-edge tools to achieve their goals and reach new frontiers. Please join me as we honor Mr. Ashutosh Awasthi, HR Officer and Admin, Subros Limited. Subros manufactures compressors, condensers, heat exchangers, and all connecting elements required to complete the AC loop. It is the leading manufacturer of thermal products for automotive applications in India in technical collaboration with Denso. It is our pleasure to recognize the contribution of Mr. Ashutosh Singh, Senior Executive TAG for Iris Software Incorporated. Iris Software is built to help clients realize the full potential of technology-enabled transformation and specializes in bringing together a unique blend of domain knowledge, best-of-breed technologies, and experience executing essential and critical application development engagements. The next recipient of Corporate Award for Excellence is Mr. Gaurav Sharma, HR Manager in Ultratech Cement Limited. Ultratech Cement is the largest manufacturer of grey cement, ready-mix concrete, and white cement in India. It is also one of the leading cement producers globally. It is our privilege to present the next award to Ms. Harmeet Kaur, HR Manager at Wittybrains Software Technologies Private Limited. Wittybrains provides world-class IT outsourcing services that offer cutting-edge IT solutions to different industries, independent software vendors, and technology segments. It has acquired decades of hands-on experience in developing the most complex web applications for its clients. The next winner in this August gathering is Mr. Himanshu Bhatnagar, Senior Manager HR for Appsino Technologies Private Limited. Appsino is a fast-growing company with a mission to be a reliable partner to organizations who are looking for quick and effective digital transformation using modern work platforms. Appsino provides professional services on Salesforce and Appian BPM. Please join me in felicitating Ms. Monica Parnami, HR Generalist, Arca Software and Outsourcing Private Limited. Arca Software has earned an immense reputation as one of the most reliable, exquisite, creative, and expeditious web and mobile app development companies, and it excels in providing dynamic and innovative software solutions. Our next awardee is Ms. Rashi Bhatia, Senior Executive HR, OnGraph Technologies Private Limited. OnGraph is an award-winning end-to-end product development company with strong expertise in various technologies, including niche areas like blockchain, analytics and visualization, IoT, chatbot, artificial intelligence, voice bot, machine learning, and augmented reality. It is an honor to present the next award to Ms. Vidita, Executive HR of Vedic Tech Solutions Private Limited. Vedic Tech is a company working in the domains of mobile and web application, Internet of Things, and digital marketing with sales offices in US and Europe. It is our privilege to appreciate the efforts of Mr. Vinod Kumar, Process Associate HR and Admin, Aksh Optifiber Limited. Aksh Optifiber designs, manufactures, and sells optical fiber cables. The company offers optical fibers, optical fiber cables, and fiber reinforced plastic rods, FRP rods. The next winner of Corporate Award for Excellence is Mr. Chirag Singhal, Manager, Campus Relations for MetaCube Software Private Limited. MetaCube is an IT solutions and services company with experience in developing enterprise applications and products for a wide spectrum of horizontal domains, including global trade management, supply chain analytics, content management, and e-commerce. Please join me in presenting the next award to Ms. Ankita Pritam, HR Senior Recruiter for Genpact. Genpact is a global professional services firm that makes business transformations real and drives digital-led innovation and digitally enabled intelligent operations for its clients. The next recipient of the prestigious Corporate Award for Excellence is Ms. Tarannum Firdaus, Senior Recruiter for Maventic Innovative Solutions Private Limited. Maventic is a niche SAP partner in providing innovative solutions and services on SAP products and technologies and works in the areas like SAP Analytics Cloud, RPA, and IS Retail Car. Our next honoree is Mr. Shashank Kumar, Manager HR, Head HR Customer Services LG CIC and SIPL at LG Electronics. LG Electronics is a multinational electronics company that offers the latest innovations to make life good, from home appliances to consumer electronics and B2B solutions to innovations in digital signage, air conditioning, solar and vehicle components. Please join me in felicitating Ms. Kanishka Kaushik, HR Manager at HomeWise. HomeWise is the easiest way to get a great mortgage, built for the modern customer, and it uses machine learning to match and secure clients with their best tailored mortgage options from over 30 banks and lenders. Our next awardee is Ms. Manisha Yadav, HR Manager at Plant Realty Consulting. Plant Realty is engaged in real estate business as consultants and is a one-stop solution for residential, commercial, affordable, or luxury property needs. It is our privilege to present the Award for Corporate Excellence to Mr. Mohammad Asif Jamal, Lead Talent Acquisition, CareerNet Consulting. CareerNet is India's leading talent acquisition organization with a mission to assist the process of shaping careers of talented professionals from campus to boardroom and scale the teams of various organizations with its comprehensive solutions. Please join me in honoring Ms. Jaya Soni, HR Manager at iBirds Software Services Private Limited. iBird Software is a global information technology service provider with a team of brilliant and dedicated professionals working in the domain of Salesforce, Heroku, PHP, and Android development. The next recipient of the prestigious Corporate Award for Excellence is Ms. Surpreet Kaur, HR at Teleperformance. Teleperformance is an omni-channel company that provides customer acquisition, customer care, technical support, debt collection, social media, and other services around the world. It is our absolute privilege to appreciate the contribution of Mr. Sumit Yadav, HR Manager at Swiggy. Swiggy is India's leading on-demand delivery platform with a tech-first approach to logistics and a solution-first approach to customer demands. Our next honoree is Ms. Isha Dhulia, the HR Manager at Fexel Services Private Limited. Fexel Services is a leading software consulting firm for SaaS services and has a great reputation as Salesforce.com solution provider. Please join me in honoring Ms. Aditi Kumawat, HR Executive, Fexel Services Private Limited. Fexel Services is a leading software consulting firm for SaaS services and has a great reputation as Salesforce.com solution provider. It is an honor to present the next award to Ms. Diksha Behra, HR Executive at AppSinvo Private Limited. AppSinvo develops and implements technology solutions to improve the client productivity and efficiency and works in the domain of mobile and web application development. Congratulations to all the winners of Corporate Award for Excellence 2021. Now I would like to invite Mr. Anish Vishwanath, Manager of Career Development Center at UEM Jaipur, to deliver the vote of thanks. It's over to you, sir.
Thank you, Shraddha. Good evening to all. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion on behalf of UEM Jaipur. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. I would also like to thank Mr. Neeraj K. Paswan, Secretary Labour and Employment, Government of Rajasthan. And I also express my heartfelt thanks to Mr. Praveen Mathur, Director Employment, Department of Skill, Employment and Entrepreneurship, Government of Rajasthan, for his valuable contribution. I also thank Mr. Mahesh Sharma, former Director, along with Mr. Vivek Bharadwaj, Mr. Chain Singh Shekhawat, and Srimati Navarika Gupta ji for their continuous, all from the Department of Skill, Employment and Entrepreneurship, for their continuous support and encouragement and making this program a great success. Thank you. We are also grateful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Bishwajay Chatterjee, for his words of encouragement. His able guidance has always encouraged us. I thank him for his kindness, his interest, and continuous support. I would also take this opportunity to thank and congratulate all the distinguished award winners for their well-deserved win and pray for many more accolades to come. My heartfelt thanks, thanks to all the family members of the University of Engineering Management, including Dr. Pradeep Sharma, and Dr. Anuruddha Mukherjee sir for their guidance and encouragement in all our efforts. Last but not the least, I thank you, my colleagues, Mr. Shankar Singh, Mr. Raja Sarkar, Mr. Sachin Pandey, Mr. Anuj Sethi, and Professor Shatabdi Basu, for organizing the award function flawlessly and making it a resounding success. Once again, I thank you all for your attention. Thank you.
Thank you, Anish sir. Finally, UEM Jaipur would like to express its gratitude to the fabulous 5 placement team of Mr. Anish Vishwanath, Mr. Shankar Singh, Mr. Sachin Pandey, Mr. Anuj Sethi, and Mr. Raja Sarkar for their untiring efforts in organizing this edition of Corporate Excellence Awards 2021. Thank you so much. Thanks to all for joining in, and have a nice day.
Thanks to you all. It was our privilege. So we close the program over here, and we look forward to meet you soon. In May, we will have a series of panel discussions where we will invite all of you to have a talk. So with your consent, definitely. Thank you. And we're closing this program over here. Thank you so much. Thanks to all of you.
Thank you.